All right, that was just my Sara Lee pound cake that we cut up in our 9 by 13. And now we're just gonna lay this flat in here for this super easy no bake dessert. This is gonna be so yummy, so tasty, so versatile. It is gonna be amazing. So let's go ahead and get this nice and spread out. It smells so good already. Okay, that looks good to me. Now for our secret ingredient, I have my mint flavor Oreos, and we did crush them up a little bit, and we are going to sprinkle that right on top. So I'm using the mint Oreos because I wanted that pop of green because I am making this for St. Patty's Day. And I just feel like mint Oreos are a classic, treat for St. Patty's Day. You get that delicious mint flavor, that pop of green. Everyone is happy. So we're adding about 2 sleeves of crushed Oreos right on top of that pound cake. And what's better than mint Oreos? Philadelphia cheesecake no bake. Ooh, I absolutely love this stuff. We're gonna go ahead and use this entire container of this cheesecake no bake, and we're gonna put it right on top of those Oreos for this beautifully layered dessert. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig into this. This is gonna be ready in seconds. It's such a fast dessert. It's so great for like a St. Patty's party, or you know what? You can make this for any event. You can switch out the Oreos to whatever Oreo flavor you want. You can switch out the cake base for a chocolate base. You can honestly customize this to your liking. That is the best part of my recipes. Everything is customizable, but we're using that whole container of no bake cheesecake. Ooh, I am excited.
Ooh, I can smell the mint Oreos.
Oh yeah. All right, and we're gonna cover up those Oreos with this cheesecake. And if you can't find that Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, you can make your own. All you need is 2 blocks of cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and some vanilla, all in one bowl. Whip it up super quick, and then you have a delicious no-bake cheesecake made at home. But I wanted this to be super convenient, so that's why I picked the tub. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Don't worry if you don't get those corners. Now I have 16 ounces of our Cool Whip that we have been letting thaw, and we're gonna add this right on top of our cheesecake. Yum, yum, yum. And just like with the cheesecake, you can make your own whipped topping. All you need is some heavy cream, some powdered sugar, and vanilla, almost the same exact ingredients. Probably all stuff you already have in your fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and start with that much and spread it out. It might be enough. We might not need all 16 ounces, but we definitely wanna get those corners covered with our Cool Whip at least. So let's go ahead and spread this out until it is fully covered. All right, that looks delicious. Now I do want a pop of green on top, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some more mint Oreos. And this time I'm just gonna hand crush these and break them up right on top of our dessert and kind of place that green showing right on there. Now this is obviously optional. You could do some sprinkles. You could do anything you want. Some chocolate chips on here, some mini chocolate chips. But I think that the more Oreo, the better. I'm gonna grab one more just to get this corner kind of filled up. Maybe 1 or 2 little quarters right there. And then we have one last thing for this super sweet, fun St. Patty's dessert, and that is our Hershey's syrup. Yep, more chocolate. And we're just gonna do a drizzle right on top. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love mint, I love cake, I love cheesecake, I love Cool Whip, I love chocolate. I love everything, honestly. All right, so I am gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge just so everything can get nice and chilled, and then it's gonna be ready to enjoy. Ooh, okay. I had it in there for a little less time than I said because I'm just so excited. But if you want that cake to get nice and softened, you keep it in there for longer. But I am ready to dig in. Sorry, I know that I can get a little too excited, but come on, look at those layers. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Cake, cheesecake, Oreos. This is like my dream come true. Get a bite. Everything in it.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. Mm. 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 I feel lucky to be eating this.